Another day, another English lesson. Polite offers and requests. Please, plus verb plus, as, plus adverb plus, as you, plus verb. We often want to sound polite and show that we understand another person's situation. This structure is a perfect tool for doing that. It helps you offer flexibility or make respectful requests. Note that it begins with, please. You don't need to say, please, but it makes the expression more polite. The pattern is, please, plus verb plus, as, plus adverb plus, as you, plus verb. Let's look at the two main ways we use it. Part 1. Offering flexibility and reassurance. Use this when you want to give someone permission or be supportive. You are telling them it is okay to do something based on their own needs, wants, or comfort. A. I'm still a little tired. B. No problem. Please walk as slowly as you need. A. This book is so interesting. B. I'm glad you like it. Please read it as long as you like. Part 2. Making a respectful request. Use this when you need to ask someone to do their best. It is a polite way to make a request because it shows you respect their effort and ability. This structure is softer and more polite than saying something directly like, do it carefully, or speak clearly. A. This box has fragile written on it. B. Okay, please carry it as carefully as you can. A. I can't hear the speaker very well. B. Please move as close as you can. Tip. One key to using this pattern correctly is choosing the final verb. This one word changes the meaning. To offer help or permission, use verbs that focus on the other person's choice or comfort. The most common and useful ones are need, like, and want. Example. Please ask as many questions as you want. To make a polite request, use the verb can. This asks the person to do something to the best of their ability. Example. Please speak as clearly as you can. By mastering this simple pattern, you can make your English sound more considerate and natural. Now, watch and complete the sentences with the words in parentheses. They are not in the correct order.
The first photo came out blurry.
Please hold the camera as steadily as you can.
Teacher, I can't see the whiteboard.
Please sit as close to the front as you like.
I'm feeling nervous about starting the presentation.
Please begin as soon as you feel ready.
The microphone isn't working very well.
Please speak as loudly as you can.
I'm afraid I might talk too much today.
No problem. Please talk as much as you want.
It's really windy outside.
Please close the door as quickly as you can.
I might not finish this assignment today.
That's fine. Please take as much time as you need.
The directions are a bit confusing.
Please write them as clearly as you can.
Thanks for watching this worldwide ELT English language learning activity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and click the bell icon for notifications.